Hi, this is Kevin with IPC Eagle. Welcome to our booth. In this session, we're going to talk about small spaces. The expectation today for cleanliness has never been higher, not only from your employees, but your customers. So using a mop bucket that has dirty water just won't do. So let's go ahead and ditch the mop bucket and go to automation. IPC Eagle has the most complete line of compact scrubbers. Starting with our first, the CT5, that's an 11-inch. Going to our second, which would be the CT15, which is a 14-inch. Going to our third, which will be our CT30, which is an 18-inch. And then last but not least, the CT45, which is a 20-inch. Our newest addition to the compact scrubber line is our CT5. As you can see, it's light, so it's portable. Perfectly designed for bathroom cleaning, to get underneath sinks, around commodes, in the stalls, and the unit works forward and backwards, introducing clean solution, scrubbing the floor, and recovering that dirty water. So time is important. You need to determine which machine is going to best fit your application, not only on square footage, but how much time do you have to do the job. We have what we call the Get Right Size table. That Get Right Size table will allow you to determine which machine out of our family of scrubbers will get the job done. All of our units here are battery operated, and each one has a certain amount of square footage that it was built to clean. The first one is a CT5. Anything 6,000 square feet and below, we would recommend this machine. Anything that's going to be 14,000 square feet and below, we recommend the CT15. The CT30 is going to be for 20,000 square feet. Then we got the CT45, which is going to be 23,000. We have to save time to make time. So now we have to determine which machine, based on how much time you have to clean, is going to be the appropriate solution for you. The CT5, cleaning 5,000 square feet, will do it in 50 minutes. A CT15 will do it in 35 minutes. A CT30 will do it in 30 minutes. And a CT45 will do it in 25 minutes. If you think about how many times you're going to be cleaning your facility, the difference between cleaning 5,000 square feet with a 5 and a 45 is over 100 hours difference. So when it comes to picking a machine, having maneuverability is going to be important. So based on the space you have available, whether it's narrow or medium or wide, will dictate the machine that you should choose. Our adjustable handle allows us to take that in consideration as well. By operating the machine in the handle in the upright position, shortens the machine so that you can maneuver right next to walls and partitions, and then when you're in wide open areas, you can put the handle back, like so.